Hi. Hi, Spirit. Hi. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Hi. 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 Is this your first camping trip? Huh? Is this your first camping trip? My first ever interview with a puppy. Hi. Oh, hi. All right, well, it is the end of the year, last weekend of the year, and Vince and Ryan and I decided to do another cold weather camping trip. This time we went up to East Rosebud, and amazingly, we are the only people here, and it is beautiful out. Chilly, but not too bad. A little snow here and there, a little bit of ice, but we're getting the hot tent set up over there, and this year we have Ryan's brand new puppy Spirit with us, and so that's going to be fun and exciting because, man, she's cute. There you go. Go get him. Go get him. Excuse me. You're okay. Okay. This probably doesn't know what this weird stuff is on the ground.
Better than me, like he eats more sensibly than me, except for when we go camping.
It's all bets are off.
It's all turned off.
I'm pretty much a 12-year-old little boy that likes to eat everything when I'm camping, which is the complete opposite of how I am normally.
That's why we eat better during those times, so that we can live a life of debauchery when we're here. Gross.
Ooh, this is actually getting pretty warm just sitting there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Most of them are made to cook in the bag.
Now this is camping. Perfect spread. Vince has treated us well. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, good morning. Woke up to a nice snow shower here. Had a great night last night. Awesome food. Good adult beverages. Good friends, good stories. Just an absolutely great way to end the year. Not gonna lie, this has been a rough year for me with health issues and other stuff going on. Gonna be glad to see this one pass, and then just look forward to the awesomeness that next year will hold for us. Definitely looking forward to the culmination of 3 years of planning with our big trip coming up, and we'll see what else happens.
It's a bit windy.
In June of 2022, a massive flood heavily changed this iconic valley, washing away large sections of trail as it happened. After it happened, many people were understandably upset about what was perceived as massive damage. But as I have learned over the years, the only constant in nature is change. This is not destruction, it is just nature once again changing itself.
Well, this is my first time up to Elk Lake since the flood, and although I think in the summertime it was definitely higher, it definitely doesn't look like much of a lake now. Kind of just a widening in the river at this point. But, you know, that's the way it goes. Nature changes. Nothing stays the same. It's different, but still majestic. And here are some signs of freshly blasted trail. This whole area again was pretty wiped out during the flood. So this is pretty much new trail through here.
The valley and the trail have indeed changed, but all trails are simply stories in motion, and this change is simply a new chapter in this magnificent and beautiful story.